Everyone, today I have a package for I made a package unboxing for May 26, 2026. Well, I already opened it. So I got two dolls from eBay. So yeah, we're gonna look. So here's this doll I got, and this is it says Walmart. I think somebody got it. They put a bag on Walmart. We got the Disney Princess Royal Collection Mulan doll right here we got, and also we got more. Let's see what we got. Sorry about the air condition, that's loud. We got the new package, this bag here. We got the new Jasmine doll. I do have another one in the back, but okay. Now these two I got from eBay, so yeah. So I will be doing a review. I'll make the video a little lower. I'll have to move. We got these two dolls from, so what year did this came out? Now I'm definitely keeping these in the box because I am not an outbox collector, so yeah. So here is Jasmine. She is, the stand is actually the magic carpet. That's nice, and we have a nice picture of Princess Jasmine and Abu. And then other side we got Raja. In the back we got a nice picture of Princess Jasmine and Raja. Unfortunately, Raja does not come with her, but that's okay. Here is Mulan. She is nice. I really like this that she comes with a fan. Unfortunately, this is my only first Mulan doll that's made by Hasbro. So here she is. Here we have little brother here. Other side we got Mulan, and the back we have a nice picture of Mulan and Mushu. Unfortunately, Mushu does not come with her with this set, but that's alright. And her stand is the cherry blossom flower. So yeah, Princess, or voiced by singing actress Leah Saranda. She is Filipina, I should say. Now I'm not gonna read this. So first we're gonna look at Jasmine. She has she is in her blue turquoise dress. I can't pronounce that dress. She is wearing gold shoes. She has no bracelet. She has one bracelet there. That's very nice. She comes with her makeup is very nice as well. This is made by Hasbro. Yeah, before Hasbro did have they lost their license to make Disney dolls and Disney and Pixar merchandise, and now Mattel got them back. So yeah. Now both of these dolls, I do like them. Well, I know there was an Ariel one, but I do not have her yet, but I hope to get her soon. So first we have this doll came out. What year did this came out? I don't know what year. It doesn't say the year, but oh, here is the instructions. It comes like, first you will put the thing, but unfortunately I would like to get another one to keep out of the box, but it's gonna be a little hard and it might get damaged, so I'm keeping these in the box. So yeah, here is Jasmine. In the back she has it's actually the, I don't know where this in. You can see Agrabah, the castle. Yeah. And now Mulan, she is very nice. She is my favorite Disney princess. Asia is very nice. You can see in the background, it's actually, you can see some cherry blossom trees and more of this set. Now let's see what their shoes. If I show the shoes, her is wearing some gold shoes, and she's not wearing a dress. It's mostly like a dress, but it's more like pants. For her, she has shoes, but we can't see it, or if I can really focus it. Yeah, sorry about the glare. I know. Yeah, there's one more package. I will be posting these on my Facebook. I tried Instagram, but it was really not good for me, so I'm not gonna post there. But you could get these though. Do not think now eBay has these anymore, so if you want this, you're gonna have to order this in used stores like eBay or go to thrift stores. But unfortunately, the package is no more damaged now. But I ordered mine on eBay, so yeah. So yeah, which one will you prepare? I do have another Princess Jasmine that is also Hasbro. It's the Style series, but I forgot to get her down, but maybe next time. I do like this doll because mostly these dolls are not for playable. Something like this Ariel doll right there might be for display, but these are more like meant for kids to play, but these are more like for display. So yeah, because you see the doll stands, you can see. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take a picture and post it on my YouTube channel. Now I'm gonna post this, I don't know when, so which one will you prepare? Bye for now.